Hi everyone, and you are welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to get Python installed on Linux. I'm using Linux Ubuntu, so let's get started. In order to use Python, we have to install Python and an IDE. I choose in this case PyCharm. Let's open the terminal, Ctrl-Alt-T, and then to install Python, you have to type sudo apt-get install Python 3 and enter. Make sure to type 3, otherwise Python 2.7 is gonna be installed. Now you have to enter the password of your user and make sure you should have root access. Once it's done, just type Python 3, enter, and as you see here, Python 3.8 is ready and installed in your platform. Now let's see how we can get PyCharm. I will open Firefox. I will search for JetBrains PyCharm. JetBrains is the company that developed PyCharm. I will go to download page. Then under Linux, I will find that there are two versions of this. We have professional version and community version. I will choose community. It's free and you don't have to pay anything to use. Download. Once the file is downloaded, I will see this message. Thank you for downloading PyCharm. Here it asks me if I want to save the compressed file. Yes, I want to save. Then I will go to downloads folder to view that file. As you see, it's a compressed folder, so I will extract the content. Once it's extracted, I will open that folder and you will find multiple folders and files here. The one that I care about is under bin folder. You will find a file, it's named pycharm.sh. This file has the script that will install PyCharm in your platform. So to install, I will open the terminal. Now I have to navigate to the folder in which I download the file. So I will say cd downloads. Then I will show the file available here. So I will use ls. Then I will change the directory to this one, PyCharm community. Again, I will choose ls to view the available files. Now I will change the directory to bin, cd bin. Then I will use ls to view the available files, and here it is. I want to use pycharm.sh, so to run this script I will say /pycharm.sh, enter. This will install PyCharm on my computer. I will wait a little bit. Once it's installed, it will ask me to accept the privacy policy, so I will select this and then continue. Here it asks me if I want to share some data from my environment, so I will say don't send. Now here I have to select the theme that I want to use, and it's up to you what theme you would like. Dracula, which is dark, or light. In my case I will select light, and then I will go to next. Here I will select this option, create a script for opening files and projects from the command line. Then next, in this window here, you can select if you want to add some plugins to your environment, but in my case, I don't want to add anything. And just I will select start using PyCharm. Here it will ask me for my password. I will type this password and then authenticate, and that's it. We are ready to go. Thank you very much for your time, and if you are available, join me in the next lecture.